Hey guys! Today we're gonna open this honestly cute supermarket cash register. Time to open the box. Now let's check out all the accessories that comes with this cash register. Here's everything that came in this box. Here's the little shopping basket full of groceries. Bread, toothpaste, laundry detergent, and water. We also got 4 coins, a credit card, some pretend money, $1 with a monkey, $5 with an elephant, $10 with a lion, and $20 with a giraffe. The last thing we got here is a little key for your cash drawer. Now let's check out the cash register. Let's turn it on and open the cash drawer. Now let's put away the money. Here you can talk on the speakerphone. Are you ready to check out? Let's scan every little thing. The scanner does not show a different amount. But it does have a light. Here's how the conveyor belt works. And that's it. The water is gonna be $3.99. The bread is gonna be $5.99. Toothpaste is gonna be $1. And the laundry detergent is gonna be $9.99. The total is $20.97. I'm gonna pay with the credit card. And now I'm gonna lock up the cash register. Now it's locked. Thanks for shopping with me. See you next time.